Part 1. Before you hit Home Depot this weekend, try this. Let AI plan your project for you. Most people spend more time planning than building. You can skip that part completely. Open ChatGPT or Gemini and say, I'm building garage shelves 8 feet wide using 2x4s and plywood. Plan my cut list, material list, and estimate the cost. It'll build your entire plan in seconds. You'll get a materials list, a rough budget, and a step-by-step process. You can even ask it to generate a shopping list you can copy straight into Notes. If you want visuals, tell it to sketch the layout or use Magic Plan or Room GPT. Take a picture of your garage, and it'll show you what the finished project could look like. No more scribbling measurements on scrap paper or buying extra boards you don't need. It's like having a foreman that never sleeps. So before you spend your Saturday figuring out what to buy, let AI do the math. You'll save time, money, and a trip back to the store. This is Hackstack. Fast, simple hacks that actually work.